रेडी? ये पहला पेपर में 5-6 दफ़ा आया जो भी लिखवाने लगा ऑफिशियल। हाँ रेडी? हाँ जी वही है। द पेंशन रूल्स रिक्वायर दैट द पेंशन केसेस ऑफ द रिटायरिंग गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट्स should be initiated 1 year before the date of their retirement, and he referred to the audit office 6 months before the retiring date, and the pension payment order should be issued 1 month before the actual date of retirement, full stop, despite requirement of rules and instructions issued by the government, comma, in this regard, comma, from time to time the prescribed time schedule is not being observed by certain pension sanctioning authorities, with the result that delay continues to occur in the payment of pension to the retirees, full stop, in the meetings conducting by the pension cases disposal committee, comma, it has transpired that much of the delay takes place due to the apathy / indifference on the part of the heads of departments / offices, who do not take personal interest in the finalization of the cases, full stop. In some cases, the pension sanctioning authorities and the heads of departments / offices not only do not attend the meetings personally, and in case of their inability to attend the meetings due to their official engagements, comma, they even do not depute the offices well versed with the facts of the cases, comma, but depute clerks and assistants who are unable to explain the cause of delay / bottlenecks in the sanctioning of pension GP fund cases in the meetings, full stop. This obviously defeats the very purpose for which these meetings are held, to guide the pension sanction into authorizes and to iron out difficulties in the disposal of the cases and give them an opportunity to objectively assess the overall working of their subordinate officers, full stop. The above position may kindly be brought to the notice of all pension sanctioning authorities and drawing and disbursing officers for settlement of claims for pension and GP fund accordingly in all cases, full stop. Moreover, comma, in future, comma, the PCDC meetings should be attended, comma, by the pension sanctioning authorities themselves, or in case of their inability in this regard, comma, by the gazette officers of their offices / departments who are well conversant with the facts of the cases, full stop. It is further requested that necessary instructions be issued to all the offices under your control to ensure the time schedule prescribed for this purpose is adhered to strictly, and information documents called for by the audit offices for finalization of pension / GP fund cases are furnished promptly, full stop. ये बहुत दफ़ा आया PPSC के